Alright y'all, so welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, this is going to be my version of concealer only makeup. I know nothing about makeup, y'all. Like, I'm literally just starting to get into makeup. Makeup was just complicated to me, but like I said, I'm taking baby steps and I'm learning so y'all can learn with me. So go ahead and subscribe if you want to continue this journey with me. And I've seen other concealer only makeup videos, but they were using more than just concealer. So for me, this is literally just concealer. Besides my eyebrows and my eyelashes, this is literally concealer, y'all. So just stay tuned. We're gonna get ready. So first things first, I do my eyebrows first. So I take a spoolie and I'm gonna just brush my eyebrows out. And what I also do, because it's easier for me to dry my eyebrows in, is if I go ahead and I just shape them up a little bit. So I'm gonna use a razor and I'm gonna just shape my eyebrows a little bit. So now I'm about to go in and I'm gonna just fill them in. What I'm using is the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. And it don't have to be perfect when you fill them in, because you're gonna go in and clean them up anyways. And your eyebrows are cousins, they are not sisters, so they do not have to be identical. So next I just go in and I clean up my eyebrows. The color that I'm going to be using is Deep Olive. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And the story about this, y'all, I went to Ulta, Ulta to get shade match. Y'all, this is the shade that they matched me. This is clearly too light for my skin. But I ended up keeping the concealer, and now I just use this just to clean up my brows. And as you see, I'm just blending the concealer out. And what doesn't blend all the way out to my liking, I just use my fingertip, and I just blend it in. Alright, so that's pretty much blended how I like it. Now I'm going to color correct. To color correct, I do use LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade orange. It's a little bit. And I'm going to apply it to the same brush that I used to blend my brow. And I'm just going to dab that on my dark spot. I also do my under eyes. And then I just let it sit for a minute before I actually blend it in. So when I blend in, I'm like pushing into my skin and out, if that makes sense. I pretty much got that blended. Then I use my makeup sponge to go in and blend it even more. And you can like already see my dark spots disappearing just with the orange color corrector. And for my eyes, I only blend with my beauty blender. How it looks with only the color corrector. Now I'm going to go in with my Sephora concealer, and I am the shade Truffle. So I'm going to take my concealer and I'm only going to apply it in my dark areas. So under my eyes, and kind of sort of on top of those same places that I put the color corrector for my dark spot. I'm gonna let this sit for a minute before I blend it, but this is what it looks like. So after I let my concealer sit, I like to start under my eyes first, and then I do my cheeks, and then I do my forehead, and then after that I just blend all over. So that's under my eyes. And now I'm just about to blend it out all over my face. Under my eyebrow a little more because I don't want my highlight to be so defined, if that makes sense. So you see how this one is still like sharp right there and this one is more blended. So yeah, I'm gonna blend this one out a little more. I see a little spot on my brow I want to fix. Another thing that I do, I pierce my nose right here, and when it's healing, I bruise easily, so I have a dark spot around my nose. So I like to take the tip of my brush and add some concealer and just get up in there. Alright, so boom. So this is pretty much all of the concealer, just concealer. I use 3 different types of concealers. Next, I like to do my eyebrows, my eyelashes. Sometimes I'll just wear mascara, or if I want a little razzle dazzle, then I will apply lashes.